Hey everyone, before we jump in, if you love practical Windows 11 tips like this, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Today I will show you how to pin any folder directly to your Windows 11 Start menu so you can access your important folders super fast without digging through the File Explorer. First, open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows key plus E. Navigate to the folder you want to pin. For example, I'll use my Documents folder. Now right-click on the folder you want to pin. In the context menu, click on Show More option if you don't see the options immediately. Then click Pin to start. Now press the Windows key or click the Start button. Look at the Pinned Apps and Folder section. You will see your folder right there. If you want to remove it later, just right-click the folder tile in the Start menu and select Unpin from Start. And that's it. Pinning folders to your Start menu is a quick way to keep your most used folder right at your fingertips. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more practical Windows 11 tutorials. See you in the next video.